Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the Savage Cub 22 long rifle, and it is in the youth size, so it is really small. And I really recommend this gun for all the youth, like beginners and your little boy, your little girl, anything, like any little kids, because it is a really small gun. It is perfect for young hunters. So today we're going to be reviewing it. See you here in just a second. Okay, guys, here's the Savage Cub 22 long rifle. I have a little Bushnell Banner 22 scope on it, and this thing is a squirrel killer. And my grandpa actually handed this down to me. He used to use it for coon hunting, and it worked very good. So that might be another thing to keep in mind. It's small, light, easy to carry around the woods, and it shoots really good. Here's the other side. There, it has a nice safety right here. It's bolt action, one bullet at a time, and safety. Just click it forward. And this thing actually has a really heavy trigger on it. Actually, not that bad. It's like probably 4 pound trigger, 4 or 5 pound. And yeah, that's the Savage Cub 22 long rifle. And I will be right back and show you guys how small this thing really is. Alright, guys, this is Savage Cub 22 long rifle. It is really small. I got like, it's like all scrunched up because it's so small, and it's just good for little kids and stuff. And the bolt's really easy to remove. You just pull the trigger and it slides right out, and that's an easy cleaning job right there. So yeah, it's just honestly everything about this gun is just really nice, and I can't find any bad things about it, guys. So yeah, that is the Savage Cub 22 long rifle. This gun actually shoots 22 shorts too, so if you don't want to make a lot of noise, you're coon hunting or something, you can use 22 shorts. You just crank the bolt back, take a bullet, and just slide it in there, and boom, you can shoot shorts through it, and it's that's basically it, guys. So really recommend the Savage Cub 22 long rifle for your kids, or even you if you just want a light gun, carry around the woods. I really recommend this. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let your friends know about my channel. I will be uploading 1 to 2 videos a day, maybe 3. So yeah, guys, thanks for taking the time out to watch my video, and really recommend this gun for you. See you guys later.